today, pupunta kami sa Sports Boulevard. So, yan yung way namin papunta pa lang dyan. Walang ka-traffic kasi it's holiday. So, a lot of people are going on vacation or enjoying it on a restaurant. So, walang masyadong traffic pa. So, ayan yung pinag-parkingan namin. Kung saan kami mag-start. Tapos,
kaya yan!
Kailangan mo umakyat dito sa stairs na yan. Dahil dyan kami nag-start, so, kaya dyan kami aakyat. Papunta dun sa pathway. So, sa mga sasakit ang tuhod, mahihirapan sila ng konti kasi medyo mataas. But, there are other places na pwede kang pagsimulan na hindi mo kailangan umakyat ng hagdan because ground level lang siya. So, kami, dahil dito kami nag-start, we have to climb up the stairs. So, ayan. So, and actually, very peaceful dyan sa area na yan kasi una nga, dahil naka-holiday, so wala masyadong tao. And then, maganda din yung view, mahangin, masarap dyan. So, yun. May enjoy naman ninyo. Gusto nyo mag-muni-muni lang. Okay, maganda siya. So, we're still climbing. And then, upon reaching mo yung, yan na, yung parang deck na yan, dyan na yung start mo. Lalakarin mo na yan all throughout, papunta dun sa desired place mo. So, this Sports Boulevard talaga is very nice kasi para sa mga tao nagpa-bikes or so. So, yan yung parang sa taas. So, yung mga nagpa-bikes dyan dumadaan. Kung gusto mo mag-roller skates, basta anything. Gusto mo lang mag-jog, you can go to the places in Riyadh by using this na hindi mo na kailangan i-risk yung buhay mo while running on the main road. So, napaka-wise talaga nung ginawa nila. So, ayan, ang ganda ng view kasi nasa taas nga kayo. So, later on, you will see pa more parts of the Sports Boulevard. Here naman, picture spot. So, maganda rin siya dyan. Mga tao dyan nagpipicture kasi that's the start. Okay. Here naman, start na kami walking. So, chill, kwentuhan with the guys, with the friends. Ito naman pala ako, kami ng family ko. So, the other kids, they're already using their scooters. Ito naman yung start ng lakad namin pababa. So, kanina naglalakad kami sa taas. Ngayon, start ito ng mahabang way naman pababa. But, there's a lot more. So, may mga table dyan, you can sit. Kapag napagod ka na maglakad, or if you want to bring food, pwede dyan. Dito naman, very nice and peaceful. Lakad-lakad lang, chill. So, yun, sa mga gustong maglakad-lakad, ayan, this is the place for you. So, this area naman, picture kami dyan. Sobrang Instagrammable ng place. Lalo na paggabi kasi yung mga lights, yung mga designs nila, napakaganda talaga. Here naman, we're walking on the elevated part na naman. But it's a short walk lang naman. Okay? Yung at the end of that pathway, makita mo naman to. Elevated din siya. It's like a web playground for the kids. Napaka-cool. So, meron ding mga playgrounds like this, like wall climbing area, and then may mga swings din. A lot of activities. It's really nice talaga.
Go! Faster, Lijah! Lijah!
Laisha, go, go, go. Yay! Laya, hi. Dito sa area na to, marami ng crowds. Dahil ng tao kasi the kids are here dahil andito yung mga playground. So, tsaka ang dami kasi pwedeng tambayan dito sa part na to, area na to. Meron ding mga couches. There's also mini trampolines like this. So cool talaga ng place. Nakakatuwa. And then, yan siya. Makikita nyo. Yan, toilet yan. Okay, this area na nag-picture kami is, it's called the room. You can sit by the, yung pailalim na part. May mga couches doon. So, kung group kayo, pwede kayo umaupo dyan, as you can see there. So, yan. Ang cute nga eh. Here naman, may pa-mini waterfalls. Very pleasing to the eyes. Napakaganda. So, yan. Did I mention din na one reason kaya kami nagpunta dito is because of the fireworks. We want to see it. We want to go to the overlooking part of the Sports Boulevard to watch the fireworks. So, ayan. Nag-start na bago pa namin ma-reach yun kasi napakahaba talaga ng Sports Boulevard. But we can see pa rin from our place, from our location. So, ayan. Napakaganda din ng fireworks. Because Eid kasi. So, meron silang pa fireworks. I think it's in Boulevard or I'm not sure where kung saan talaga yung fireworks. Pero kita-kita mo pa rin doon. So, yan. Napakaganda ng fireworks. So, after namin ng fireworks, pabalik na kami, nakita ulit nila itong wall climbing. So, they have to try it again because they really enjoyed it. So, yan. Nakakatuwa yung mga kids. Mukha silang Spider-Man. So, ayan, dinaanan pa rin ang pabalik ko kanina, dinaanan yung papunta. So, kung gano'ng kalayo nila ka na yung papunta, kalayo nila ka na yung pabalik. But, we enjoyed it. We got to see it. So beautiful talaga and so pretty. And I think it will be a good spot to hang out then with the family. So, we will come back. But we will not start from where we started. So, maybe some other place na mag-start. Para hindi masyado malayo yung lalakarin natin.